Our YouTube channel, YouTube Solver. Today we are giving some important questions of Mathematics 2 BMATS 201. From the module 1, there are some important questions. First question is evaluate integration minus c to c, integration minus b to b, integration minus a to a of x square plus y square plus z square into a minus a dx into dy into dz. The second question is evaluate integration 0 to a, integration 0 to x, integration 0 to x plus y, e power x plus y plus z, dz into dy into dx. The third question is show that the gamma of 1 by 2 is equal to under root of pi. And the fourth question is show that the beta of m comma n is equal to gamma of m into gamma of n divided by gamma of m plus n. And the fifth question is using double integration find the area of a plate in the form of quadrant of the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. The sixth question is evaluate integration 0 to a, integration 0 to a x by x square plus y square dx into dy into dy by changing the order of integration. And the seventh and last question is find the double integration the area between the parabolas y square is equal to 4ax and x square is equal to 4ay. In the first module, mainly given the questions. In these questions, the equations will be changes. You have to practice the other equations also. And we are going to next module. The first question is find the directional derivative of phi is equal to x square yz plus 4x z square at 1 comma minus 2 comma minus 1 in the direction of vector 2 I cap minus j cap minus 2 k cap. Second question, if the f vector is equal to delta of x into y power y cube into z square, find the divisional of f vector and curval of f vector at the point 1 comma minus 1 comma 1. Third question, prove that the spherical coordinate system in the orthogonal. And the fourth question is using the mathematical tools write the codes to find the gradient of phi is equal to x square into yz. And the fifth question is express the vector a vector is equal to z I cap minus 2x j cap plus y k cap y into k cap in cylindrical coordinates. And the sixth question is show that the vector f bar is equal to xi plus yj by x square plus y square is both solenoidal and
irrotational.
on the third module. The third module first question is prove that the subset w is equal to x comma y comma z x minus 3y plus 4z is equal to 0 of the vector space r power 3 is a subspace of r power 3. And the second question is determine whether the matrix minus 1 7 8 minus 1 is a linear combinational of 1 0 2 1 2 minus 3 0 2 and 0 1 2 0 in the vector space m22 of 2 into 2 matrix. And the third question is find the basic and the dimensional of the subspace spanned by the vectors 2 comma 4 comma 2 comma 1 comma minus 1 comma 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 1 comma 0 comma 3 comma 1 in V3 of R. And find the fourth question. Find the kernel and range of the linear operator T of x comma y comma z is equal to x plus y comma z of the R power 3 to R square. The fifth question is prove that the transformation T r square to r square defined by T of x comma y is equal to 3x comma x plus y is linear. Find the images of the vector 1 comma 3 and minus 1 comma 2 under the transformation. And the sixth question is let V is equal to R cube be a vector space and consider the subset W of V consisting of vector of the form a comma a square comma b where the second component is the square of the first is a w a subspace of v. And the module 4 first question find an approximate value of the root of the equation x into e power x is equal to 3 using the regular Flemish method carry out the three iterations. The second question is using Newton's divide difference formula evaluate f of 8 from the following. And the third question is find the real root of the equation 3x is equal to cos x plus 1. Correct the 3 decimal place using Newton's Raphson method. And the fourth question is find the y at x is equal to 5 if y of 1 is equal to minus 3 comma y of 3 is equal to 9 comma y of 4 is equal to 30, comma y of 6 is equal to 132 using the Lagrange interception formula. And the fifth question is using Newton's appropriate interpolation formula, find the values of a y at x is equal to 8 and at x is equal to 22 from the following table. The sixth question is given sine 45 degrees equal to 0.7071, comma sine 50 degrees equal to 0.7660, comma 755 degrees equal to 0.8192, comma sine 60 degrees equal to 0.8660. Find the sine 48 degree using the Newton's forward interpolation formula. And the seventh question is evaluate integration 0 to 3 1 by 4x plus 5 dx by using the Simpson's 1 by third rule by taking 7 ordinates in the last module. And the first question is solve the y dash of x is equal to 3x plus y by 2 comma y of 0 is equal to 1, then find the y of 0.2 with with h is equal to 0.2 using the modified Euler's method. And the second question is apply Range-Kutta method of fourth order to find the approximate value of y when x is equal to 0.2, given that dy by dx is equal to x plus y and y is equal to 1 when x is equal to 0. The third question is given dy by dx is equal to x into y plus y square, comma y of 0 is equal to 1, comma y of 0.1 is equal to 1.1169, comma y of 0.2 is equal to 1.2773, comma y of 0.3 is equal to 1.5049. Compute y of 0.4 using the Milner's method. And the fourth question is employ Taylor series method to obtain the approx value of y at x is equal to 0.2. Find the differential equation dy by dx is equal to 2y plus 3 power x, comma y of 0 is equal to 0. And the fifth and last question is using the mathematical tools write the code to find the solution of dy by dx is equal to 1 plus y by x at y comma 2 taking h is equal to 0.2, given that y of 1 is equal to 2 by Range-Kutta fourth order method. And thank you for watching our video. Please do like, share and subscribe.